Hello everyone. Now we are going to see 19 to 25 December part first video. Mother Teresa Memorial Award to Dr. Anil Prakash Joshi, Vidyut Mohan and Ridhima Pandey. Mother Teresa Memorial Award. Mother Teresa Memorial Award goes to Dr. Anil Prakash Joshi, Vidyut Mohan and Ridhima Pandey. Nora dance drama Thailand include in UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage Site. Nora dance drama from Thailand. Nora dance drama from Thailand. Odisha state launch T-shaped long bridge T Setu on Mahanadi River. Odisha state launch T-shaped long bridge T Setu on Mahanadi River. Union cabinet approved 76,000 crore worth production link incentive scheme for boosting and display manufacturing in India. Semi-condenser and display manufacturing in India. Union cabinet approved 76,000 crore with worth production link incentive scheme. UNCDF United Nations Capital Development Fund launched first Agritech challenge. United Nations Capital Development Fund launched first Agritech Challenge 2021 with Niti Aayog to help smallholders across Asia and Africa. UNCDF plus Niti Aayog to help smallholders. Punjab declared the Lord Krishna Balram Jagannath Rath Yatra. Punjab declared the Lord Krishna Balram Jagannath Rath Yatra as a state festival in December. WPI 14.23% in November. Base year 11-12. Gabriel Boric won Chile presidential election. He is the youngest president of Chile. Modi laid Ganga Expressway in Shahjahanpur, UP. Liberty General Insurance signed a partnership with CSC Governance Service India to nourish insurance in rural network. Liberty General Insurance CSC e-Governance. Liberty General Insurance partner with CSC e-Governance. Maharashtra granted in principle approval for 6 nuclear reactors at Jetapur. Maharashtra launched in principle approval for 6 nuclear reactors at Jetapur. Government of India signed MOU with 442.26 euro million loan with KfW Bank for 40.3 lakh Surat Metro. KfW is a Germany's bank. Government of India signed 442.26 euro million with KfW for Surat Metro. Minority national 40.35 kilometers Surat Metro. National Minorities Right Day 2013 18th of December. National Minorities Day 2013 start and 18th December. IIT Roorkee top most innovative research institute by Confederation Indian Industries. IIT Roorkee most innovative research institute. PhonePe plus Edelweiss General Insurance to offer digital motor insurance. PhonePe Edelweiss to offer digital motor insurance. Ministry of Rural Development launch Management Information System. Ministry of Rural Development launch Management Information System portal name Vikas Portal for ranking. Vikas Portal for ranking state and union territories in land acquisition project under Rural RFCT LAR Act 2013. Union Cabinet approved incentive scheme to promote RuPay debit card and low value up to 2000 Bhim Pay transaction persons to merchant in India. Financial outlay of the scheme for 1 year is 1300 crore. Union Cabinet approved incentive scheme to promote RuPay debit card and low value Bhim Pay transaction. RBI authorized RBL Bank to collect indirect taxes on behalf of CBIC. RBI authorized RBL Bank. RBI authorized RBL Bank to collect indirect taxes. CCI approved the acquisition of 16.94 equity shares capital of IRB Infrastructure by Bricklayers Investment Private Limited. CCI approved the acquisition up to 16.94% capital of IRB Infrastructure by Bricklayers Investment Private Limited. India defeated Pakistan to win bronze medal. India defeated Pakistan to win bronze medal at Asian Championship Trophy Men's Hockey Team. Asian Champions Trophy Men's Hockey Team. India defeated Pakistan to win bronze medal at Asian Champions Trophy Men's Hockey Team. India defeated Pakistan and champion is India won bronze medal, gold medal win by South Korea and runner-up Japan held at Dhaka, Bangladesh. 20th of December International Human Solidarity Day. 20th December International Human Solidarity Day. Pradeep Rawat, India's next envoy to China, replaced Vikram Misri. Pradeep Rawat, India's next envoy to China. India's host to women under 18 and under 19 SAFF Championship. India hosts women's under 18 and under 19 Championship. UN Women's Award won by Divya Hegde. UN Women's Award won by Divya Hegde for leadership commitment to gender equality. Commitment to gender equality. RBI imposed a penalty of rupees 1.8 crore on Punjab National Bank and on ICICI 30 lakh. 70th International Migrant Day by UN, 18th of December. International Migrant Day, 17th. Harnessing the potential of human mobility. US-India program, technology-based energy solution, innovation for net zero. US-India program, technology-based energy solutions, innovation for net zero. RBI imposed a penalty of 1.8 crore on ICICI related to pledge of shares. 1.8 crore on ICICI Bank. Narendra Modi, year 8 young government's annual list, world top 20 admire men. SBI minority stake in JSW Limited for INR 100 crore through compulsory convertible preference share. SBI takes stake in JSW Cement. Gabriel Boric, youngest ever president of Chile. Srikanth Kidambi, first Indian man, won silver medal at BWF World Championship. Srikanth Kidambi. BWF 5th of July 1934, Malaysia headquarter. Paul Larsen, President BWF President Paul Larsen. Srikanth Kidambi, first man, won silver at BWF Championship. Udyami company sign an MOU with NPCI, skill development of NPCI employees. Udyami company sign an MOU with NPCI. Agni V, longest Agni series launched by DRDO. Agni 5. Vande Mataram scheme related to women. Karl Nehammer, the Chancellor of Australia, by succeeding Skellerburn Alexander. Karl, Chancellor of Australia. Breastfeeding friendly hospital initiative, baby friendly hospital initiative. Mastercard plus Google Pay tokenization for card based payment. Mastercard plus Google Pay. National Mathematics Day 22nd December. International Mathematics Day 14th of March. International Mathematics Day 14th of March. Tamil Nadu Tamil Thai Venzutu as a state song of Tamil Nadu written by Manomuniam Sundaram Pillai. Manomuniam Sundaram Pillai. Tamil Nadu Tamil Thai Venzutu song. State song. PANEX 2021 multinational exercise organized in Pune, Maharashtra. PANEX multinational exercise organized in Pune, Maharashtra to develop capabilities in disaster management aspect of the BIMSTEC. Kumar Mangalam Birla Global Trade Entrepreneurship of the Year Award. Kumar Mangalam Birla Entrepreneurship of the Year Award. Transformation from industrial empire. Team Dropper Venture Capitalist Jury. Delhi batter Yash Dhal will lead 17-member Indian squad in 2020 ICICI Under-19 World Cup at West Indies. Delhi batter Yash Dhal will lead 17-member Indian squad in 2020 ICC Under-19 World Cup at West Indies. CCI suspended Amazon to acquire a stake in Future Group and imposed rupees 202 crore penalty on e-commerce sector. CCI suspended Amazon to acquire stake in Future Group. FAO launched State of the World's Lands and Water Resources SOLAW 2021. FAO launched State of the World's Lands and Water Resources report under the theme System at Breaking Point. DRDO plus New Generation Ballistic Missile Agni-P from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island of the Odisha coast. DRDO New Missile Agni-P. DRDO Agni-P. Karnataka Bank sign an MOU with Care Health Insurance. Karnataka Bank sign an MOU with Care Health Insurance to offer health insurance. Karnataka Bank Headquarter Balluri, Karnataka. CEO Nandini. Government of India target 20% ethanol blending in petrol by 2025 to reduce import of crude oil. 20% ethanol target 2025 and current ethanol blending is 8.5%. Dr. Jitendra Singh launched a nationwide Good Governance Week from 20 December to 26 December in New Delhi. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The theme is Prashashan Gav Ki Or. Dr. Jitendra Singh launched a nationwide Good Governance Week 20 to 26 December. Prashashan Gav Ki Or is the theme of this nation Good Governance Week. Gold medal at World Weightlifting Championship Bindrayami Devi. Gold medal at World Weightlifting Championship Bindrayami Devi Tashkent. DRDO fight demonstration of Control Aerial Delivery System in Agra, New Delhi. DRDO flight demonstration and Control Aerial Delivery System, Agra and New Delhi. Jammu Kashmir sign an MOU with College Birmingham Student Education. Modi inaugurated several Jammu Kashmir sign an MOU with College Birmingham Student Education. Modi inaugurated several development projects rupees 650 crore in Goa. Mr. PM Modi inaugurated several development projects rupees 650 crore in Goa. Bank of Baroda tops the digital payment financial year 21. Ministry of Electronics and Telecommunication. Bank of Baroda tops digital payment. In first IFSC in India, Gujarat International Finance Tech City, GIFT City at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. First IFSC in India, Gujarat International Finance Tech City. 11-day long 24th edition of Lokrang 2021 at Jaipur, Rajasthan. 11-day long 24th edition of Lokrang. 11-day long 24th edition of Lokrang at Jaipur, Rajasthan. International Year of Millet 2023 by United Nations. International Year of Millet by 2023 by United Nations. Nagaland 3 districts Tezemu, Nyaland and in Chumekidima, 3 new districts form in Nagaland. UNDP launched South-South Innovation Platform plus Niti Aayog in July 2021. UNDP launched a South-South Innovation Platform. Global Spam and Scam Report released by Truecaller. Global Spam and Scam Report released by Truecaller. India ranked 4th most spam country in the world while Brazil topped the 4th year consecutive time. While Brazil topped this for the 4th consecutive time, India ranked 4th. 68% of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana held as account held by women entrepreneurs. 68% Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana account held by women entrepreneurs. Available 44% of sanctional amount launched at April 8, 2015. Indian cricketer Rishabh Pant, brand ambassador of Uttarakhand. Indian cricketer Rishabh Pant, brand ambassador of Uttarakhand. National Highway Authority of India signed an MOU with National Cadet Corps to reuse plastic waste. Punit Sagar Abhiyan. NHAI signed an MOU with National Cadet Corps to reuse plastic waste. Punit Sagar Abhiyan. Durga Puja, intangible cultural heritage site of human, 16th session of IGC. Equitas Small Finance Bank impaneled as a banking partner to the government of Maharashtra. Equitas Small Finance Bank. GAIL India signed an MOU with Gujarat Alkalis and Chemical Limited to set up a 500 KLD bioethanol plant in Gujarat. GAIL set up an 500 KLD bioethanol plant in Gujarat. GAIL signed an MOU with Gujarat Alkalis Chemical Limited. Bhaskaracharya Institute of Space and Application and Geoinformatics Development, India's first GIS-based automatic water supply system. Bhaskaracharya Institute and Space Application and Geoinformatics, India's first GIS, Bhaskaracharya Institute of Space Application, automatic water supply system for citizens as a containment boards under E-Chhavni project. India Central Asia Dialogue third meeting at New Delhi under chairmanship of S. Jaishankar. India China third meeting at New Delhi. Imma Raducanu BBC Sports Personality of the Year Award. Imma Raducanu BBC Sports Personality of the Year Award. Atul Dinkar Rane, DG of BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. Atul Dinkar Rane, DG of BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana, first IAMC International Arbitral and Meditation Center at Hyderabad, Telangana. First Meditation Center at Hyderabad, Telangana. Chief Justice of N.V. Ramana. All India Mayors Conference at Varanasi, UP inaugurated by PM Modi. All India Mayors Conference at Varanasi, UP inaugurated by Modi. World Food Programme signed an MOU with State of Intent with Niti Aayog to promote millet production in India. World Food Programme signed a state intent with Niti Aayog. World Food Programme Niti Aayog for millet production. December 23rd, Farmers Day or Kisan Day. Birth anniversary of Chaudhary Charan Singh. Pralay surface to surface air missile tested by DRDO. Pralay surface to surface missile tested by DRDO. Karnataka Gramin Bank Canara Bank sponsorship. Canara Bank sponsorship. IFSCA set up committee for creating framework for transfer of stress loan to financial institute chaired by G. Padmanan. IFSC set up committee for creating framework for transfers of stress loan to financial institution chaired by G. Padmanabhan. GAIL Soma Mandalam Golden Peacock Environment Manage Award. Golden Peacock Environment Manage Award goes to SAIL. SAIL founded year 1954. World Arabic Language Day 18 September. World Arabic Language Day 18 September by United Nations. Theme: Arabic language, a bridge between civilizations. A bridge between civilizations. Ganga Expressway 594 km. PM Modi at Shahjahanpur UP 6 lane 36,200 crore. Ganga Expressway 594 crore. Ganga Expressway on Mahanadi River. Amit Shah releases Sahakar Sandarbh. Amit Shah releases Sahakar Sandarbh at the convocation ceremony of Venkat Mehta National Cooperative Management Institute. Venkat Mehta National Cooperative Management Institute in Pune, Maharashtra. National Commission of Minorities from under the NC National Commission Minorities Act 1992. National Commission of Minorities set up. Jomu Soap Haiti Intangible Site at UNESCO. Intangible Site Haiti. Jomu Soap. CCI approve acquisition of Air India Limited, Thales Private Limited. Competition Commission of India approve acquisition of Air India Limited, Thales Private Limited. Tata Sons Chairman N. Chandrasekaran. Tajikistan Foreign Minister recently visited India, sign agreement with India on diplomatic training and program of cooperation. Tajikistan Foreign Minister sign an MOU with India. Bhutan highest civilian award Nagdak Pelgi Korla upon goes give to PM Modi. Bhutan's highest civilian award to PM Modi. Typhoon Rai Oti hit Philippines. Typhoon Rai hit Philippines. Odisha launch MK Vayu Swasthya Seva scheme to offer free healthcare services to remote areas. Odisha launch MK Vayu Swasthya Seva scheme to offer free healthcare services to remote areas. ICICI Lombard General Insurance collaborated with Clo Dental to offer dental insurance. ICICI Lombard General Insurance collaborated with Clo Dental to offer dental insurance. CEO Bhargav Dasgupta, headquarter Mumbai. Vijaya Bank plus Dena Bank amalgamated with Bank of Baroda. Vijaya Bank, Dena Bank amalgamated with Bank of Baroda on 1st of April 2019. NSDC launched Project Amber along with Generation India Foundation to empower youth. NSDC launched Project Amber along with Generation India. Goa Liberation Day 19 December. India's Ancient Legacy of Wellness book Rekha Chaudhary. India's Ancient Legacy of Wellness Rekha Chaudhary. R.L. Jalappa passed away in Kolar, Karnataka. R.L. Jalappa passed away in Kolar, Karnataka. Union Minister of Textile. Jalappa, Union Minister of Textile. IOC acquired 4.93% equity share in Indian Gas Exchange Limited. IOC acquired 4.93 equity share in Indian Gas Limited. INS Mormugao guided missile destroyer of P-15B class went for first sea trial. INS Mormugao guided missile destroyer. Equitas Small Finance Bank plus banking partner of Maharashtra government in December. Equitas Small Finance Bank, banking partner for Maharashtra government. Lakshya Sen won bronze medal at BWF World Championship in Sevilla, Spain. Lakshya Sen won bronze medal at BWF World Championship in Sevilla, Spain. In BWF, Lakshya Sen from Singapore won gold medal in men's singles. In Badminton World Federation, Lakshya Sen from Singapore won gold medal in men's. First Indian woman to win 2 individual Olympic medal, PV Sindhu. First Indian woman to win 2 individual Olympic medal, PV Sindhu. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will going to see next part in the next video.